Hello everyone. Today our team Anuj, Pavni and myself will be presenting a case study on poor product design, the failure of Samsung Galaxy Note 7. The Note 7 was initially launched as a breakthrough innovation, but within just 2 months the product was recalled globally due to repeated battery explosions. This crisis exposed major gaps in product life cycle and new product development processes. In our poster, we highlight how design flaws, rushed development timelines, and inadequate testing lead to one of the biggest product failure in tech history. At this core, this case shows a single flaw in design, testing, or manufacturing can collapse an entire product life cycle. It also reminds us that innovation must always be balanced with rigorous safety checks.
So now let's look at the impact of this failure. Financially, Samsung suffered a direct loss of $5.3 billion due to the recall of logistics and disposal costs. Environmentally, more than 2.5 million hazardous batteries had to be recycled or destroyed. The brand image also took a major hit, from global flight bans to negative media coverage. The entire industry was affected as battery testing regulations become stricter worldwide. Moving to a root cause analysis, 4 major issues areas were identified. First was battery design issue. The battery was over compressed lithium ion battery, ultra thin separators leading to internal short circuits. The second one is manufacturing defects, which include missing insulation tapes, faulty wiring, and vendor inconsistencies. The third one is NPD and poor testing. It includes shortened testing cycles, limited real-world stress testing, and pressure to launch before Apple. And the fourth one is weak crisis response, initial denial of the root cause, incorrect diagnosis, even replacement devices turned out to be dangerous. Together, these failures created a chain reaction that ultimately forced Samsung to discontinue the product entirely.
So now we will be talking about the technical failures and key learning from this case study. To understand the technical failure, the Note 7 battery suffered from thermal runaway. This means internal short circuit caused temperatures to rise beyond 150 degrees Celsius, triggering fires even during normal usage. The design simply did not allow enough space for safe battery expansion. But this crisis also resulted in important key learnings, such for the product designers. First of all, safety over speed. Never cut down stress testing just to meet launch deadlines. Second is that cross-team synchronization. There needs to be a proper synchronization between engineering, design and manufacturing teams that needs to be aligned. Third is the supplier consistency. Multiple vendors must adhere to the same strict quality standards to ensure the quality of the product. Fourth one is smarter crisis response. Transparency and accurate diagnosis are better than rushed fixes. Fifth one is stronger testing frameworks. Samsung introduced an industry-leading 8-point battery check, including durability test, X-rays, disassembly, charge-discharge cycles, thermal stress, and safety compliance. In conclusion, we can say the Samsung Note 7 crisis highlights the importance of robust NPD processes. A single overlooked design flaw can lead to billions of losses, environmental damage, and harm to customer trust.